Content graders to come forward and share their feelings and memories with us. We are eager to listen to you. Good father, sir, teachers, and guests, and all my dear friends. As you know, today we are here to celebrate our class 10 farewell. And I am here to express my emotion in front of you, though I am not an emotional person. And I am not here to make you bored by giving a long speech. I am just here to express my emotions about my school life, about teachers, about friends. So yeah, school life is one of the most precious life you enjoy. And this is one of the end chapter of our life. And we are going to enter into the competitive world where we will be having new chapters and we will face hurdles. And talking about our teachers are the best teachers. I'm just not saying to say, but it's the real fact, you have to accept it. And our teachers supported us, guided us, and even supported us for the betterment of ourselves. And even in this pandemic time, our teachers sent us the online videos, online classes. They made the videos for us and sent it us. It is really hard thing, like making a video. We will think that it is very easy, but it is very hard. A person who has gone through the pain knows the pain. And thank you teachers. And teachers are, our school teachers especially are very caring. They treat us as their own children. In my previous school, I never saw such teachers, but in our school, the teachers are that. And by the same thank you, we cannot pay for their hard work. We should score good and make them happy so that they also feel proud. And talking about friends, I have many friends in my life, very good friends, adventurous, crazy, studious, everyone, even in my previous school. And yeah, I could know that you will also remember your memories of your friends, even until your lifetime. And yeah, that's all. At the end of this garden, we will be in tears, we share your happiness of joy. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Hi everyone. So this is the day of farewell, right? So according to me, let me speak very still and very be comfort. So I am, okay, when I came here, I came at 6. Okay? My life started really 6 and I was like, I don't know anyone, even at least in last school, everyone were my neighbors who I was knowing. In this school, I was not knowing anyone. I thought that nobody will be, liking me so much. So that started that fear. And today, I'm so much comfortable with everyone that I can speak anything in front of them. So that is a change which has brought from 6th to 10. And talking about friends, talking about teachers, what should I say? Everything is very much magical here. Because, everyone thinks that I don't have fear, anything straight fear, nothing fear. It is not true actually. I am being grown through a stage fear. I am a very fearless girl. But making me a fearless girl was the hand of every single teacher pushing me in front to do that things and pushing me. Even my friends, everything, any single matter you want to talk, just go and talk. Shina, very that every single thing, not only girls, even boys also, everyone had a big memory in my life, a space which nobody can take even after my school time. That is truth, and I want to thank all the teachers, Vanna sir, ma'am, Bindu ma'am, every single miss, Raghavendra sir, Mamta miss, everyone, every single person who have made me this, made me a fearless girl. If anyone asks me in the future who got this confidence and this courage, where from you got, I would say that every time it's Mahatma Central School, from where I have got this, and I am very happy for this. Thank you so much.
Firstly, a very good morning to one and all present here. Actually, everyone present here has their own memories and you same with me. I would say it's not the best, not the worst, but a unique class I have got. I started this journey from UKG as my class teacher, Mrs. Teresa Horta. And ending this after 11 years with a lot of memories that are never ending and infinite. There was a time when I used to think that school life is actually tedious, but I came to know that school life is so precious. Now talking about my teachers, they have not taught only me how to study, but they also taught me so many things that one can never forget. Thank you teachers for seeing something that Now talking about my classmates, the best word I can describe is them as comrades. 11 years of togetherness has given so many memories that it's just unforgettable. Finally, here is the month when we are actually getting separated. We came here saying we will live without creating new bonds, but we are living and now we can't actually live without these bonds. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, respected dignitaries on the desk and my dear friends. Today we are here to celebrate a very special moment, that is our farewell. I came here to this Mahatma institution 12 years ago, and now all my teachers, I remember them, all my teachers are my like friends with me now. We have created a very good memories in this school, and we have created a good friends also in this school. Now, as all we are from graduating life and we are stepping into the new world, so we cannot leave the memories with us from here, especially that Mundana sir's jokes when we were hearing some boring history classes. His jokes made our full day, which we would laugh. And when we were solving math sums and Raghavendra sir used to pass by us, everyone's heartbeats will increase at a time. So that moment we cannot forget. And I have one request to our father. We came to know that he is a very good cricket player. After our exam, we want to play one match with you, father. Our also cricket team is there. We want to play a cricket match with you after the board exam. Yes. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, respected dignitaries and my dear friends. It's an I have joined here since 2009 and continue to 2021. It has been a long period of 12 years. These 12 years I made memories with my friends which cannot be forgotten because it is not in my brain but it is deep in my heart. And I want to thank all teachers who supported me to overcome my fear, and I want to thank all my friends who helped in various activities and helped me in situations which I could not overcome. And I want to ask sorry if anyone has been hurted by my behavior or any activities. So sorry friends. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Finally this day has come for which we all were waiting for. Don't know how the time passed. I got my admissions in 7th, almost half yearly, and my intention at that time was just like I will come here, I will be curious with my studies, and just I will be like an honest boy and be very good to teachers and all. But unfortunately, maybe I have not been cooperated with that. I used to be so coward and so shy at the beginning, but my friends, especially my gang sitting over there, they helped me realize what I was. From the day one, I used to get abused by many names, both from boys and girls. But then, now when this day has arrived, everyone calls me like that's my brother. Oh. I feel so proud that I'm one of the students of this school right now. And so many memories here, both in classes and outside the campus with the same classmates. Many memories, like especially in the toilet where we used to go. The water the water bucket challenge, then the heartbreak case, everything. It's fitted in my mind. Nobody can remove that from it.
Thank you. Everyone, believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you, and that is greater than any obstacle. I, Sanjay Fernandez, feel honorable and pleasure to deliver the speech on farewell. This day is something for 10th standard students as we are going out from this school. I still remember the memories which we spent today, especially like that Talas bottle from which we had played, splashing waters on others, and birthday bumps especially given by Seiran. That was very, I can't say that one. And I will remember Tushar because he used to go near Vanita Miss and Madam and every teacher for asking PT, begging near them, and he was to come in school and say PT like that, and of the fans. I remember that. And the funs we had made in Imam's class, that also I will remember. This all will remain in our heart and will be valuable for us. I don't know about the reunions of our friends in the future, but pretty sure we will keep in touch. At last, I would say that be kind and good to people you meet in your way out. Allow the words of God guide as you journey to greatness. Think big and be optimistic in whatever you are doing. On behalf of the school, I bid you farewell and wish you best of luck in your days ahead. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody present here. So this is the final day for all the students. So I have joined to Mahatma School from LKG, and I am ending now in 10th standard. All those teachers who have helped me to become a successful person, and they have been guiding us for 10th standard for overcoming fear and how to prepare for exams. And Manjana sir, Rintu ma'am, principal, father, and all subject teachers who have helped me to prepare my studies to score a good percentage. They have been preparing not from, but they are preparing all of the students. So we are thankful to all of you. Thanks.
Here, I would like to speak a few words. As if the basement is not strong, then the building will fall 100%. So to make the basement strong, those teachers who had helped me are Remendia Miss, Marceline Miss, and Teresa Miss. Without them, we are nothing. As they taught us in our kindergarten classes. Because of them, today I am here. And not only them and all teachers, all subject teachers who supported me, and my friends. I was not willing to speak
reward of experience and should be shared. So to share valuable experience, here comes our teacher.
Respected all the dignitaries on the dais, my dear teachers, and all the blooming buddies present here. Getting a class teachership is as if receiving a student or my children, in making them be perfect in all the ways and in all the manners. Whenever I used to get this opportunity to speak a few words, I always used to say to the students, whenever you are present in this school, you all used to wear an ID card in that it is written as Bathuma Central School and the details about you. But when you people will enter the college, you may not wear this ID card having the details of our school. But my dear children, just remember one thing. Even when you leave the school, when you enter the college, the school will be your identity itself. It's not necessary to wear it, but the school will be your identity. How it will be is, you all have a talent in one or the other things. And whenever you students or whenever you people show your talents in a different field, the audience or the other people used to ask the first thing, oh very good, very nicely has spoke. From which school he belongs? That is the first and the foremost thing. So even if you are leaving this school, even if the memories are with you, the school will be your identity itself. The second most thing is, whatever has passed, leave it. Whatever has done wrong or right, forget it. Don't feel it. Don't take it with you. But dear students, still the few days are with you, where the God has given you an opportunity to do your best. Even in the studies, even in getting a highest marks or your percentage in the board exam. Keeping that in mind, see that you all will make use of it effortlessly and effectively. Hoping you all the best, and God is always with you in whichever field you go and wherever you go. All the best, my dear students. God bless you.
ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮೊಡನೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. 2ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಿಂದ 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯವರೆಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ನನಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪಾತ್ರರಾದಂತಹ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ. ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೈಡ್ಸ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ನಾನು ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್, ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷದ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ನಾನು ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ, ನೀವು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ನೀವು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ? ನನಗೆ ಸಾಧಾರಣವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಚಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನಾನು SLC ಇರಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಗುರುಗಳು ಬಂದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಒಂದೇ ಮಾತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಪೇಜ್ ತೆಗೀರಿ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಪೇಜ್ ತೆಗೀರಿ, ನೀವು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬರೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ, ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮುಂದೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೆದು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಆವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಬರೆದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರ, ನಾನೊಬ್ಬ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಬೇಕು. ಆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತಿರುವಂತಹ SJK ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಆವತ್ತು ಗುರುಗಳ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಅವರು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆಯನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹುಟ್ಟಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಗುರುಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂತು ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಮತ್ತೋರ್ವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಶ್ರೀಯುತ KC ವರ್ಗೀಸ್ ಸರ್. ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡಿದವರನ್ನ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನಾವು ಮರಿಬಾರದು. ನಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನವನ್ನ, ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿದಂಥವನ್ನ ಯಾವತ್ತಿಗೂ ನಾವು ಮರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳುವಂತ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ನನಗೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಾಗಿ ನೀವೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಭವಿಷ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಉತ್ತಮ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕೆನ್ನುವಂಥ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಕೆಲವು ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೈದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆಲವು ಉಪದೇಶಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಎಂತ ಉಪದೇಶ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೂ ಅನಿಸಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಮುಂದೊಂದು ದಿನ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಉಪದೇಶ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾಕಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ದೀಪವನ್ನು ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ರಿ, ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಬೆಳಕಾಗುವಂತಹ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗಲಿ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆಗಲಿ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದೇ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶಾಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಮುಗಿದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಯಿತು. ಇವತ್ತಿನಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆಸುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಮುಂದೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಶಾಲೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಸೇವೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನ, ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಸಿದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರನ್ನ, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಮರಿಬಾರದು ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಎರಡನೇ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ. ಇನ್ನು ಕೊನೆಯ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಾನು 95% ತಗೊಳ್ತೇನೆ, 99 ತಗೊಳ್ತೇನೆ, 100ಕ್ಕೆ 100 ತಗೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದು ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿರುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಟೀಚರ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಒಂದು ಭಾಷೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈಡೇರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಬೇಕು. ಓದಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಒಂದು ಅಂಕವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಓದುವುದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟದಿಂದ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯನ್ನ ಎದುರಿಸದೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಫಲ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಭವಿಷ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತಾ ದೇವರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಆಶೀರ್ವದಿಸಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬೇಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Respected dignitaries, lovely students, teachers and non-teaching staff, good afternoon to you. Dear students, set your goals high and always dream big, because you are only as big as dreams you are dared to live. Today, I am here to speak a few words about my dear students. It is a very special day for us. Finally, the day has come here to break their long time. My dear students, it took 12 long years in shaping for your bright future. As I recall back, I remember those days we were in first standard. Shilpa Miss and myself were teaching you. You were kids and we had great time, and now you are grown up. At last, the days have passed. Now you have completed the 10th grade. My advice to you all is that do not look back, just look forward and go ahead to see the world. Success will be your on way. You always try and make others happy. Remember, students are the most important assets in education field. Always speak truth at the point of saying goodbye. At the end of it, all you completed this part of journey with great achievement and beautiful memories. We remember you forever. As I conclude, I would like to say always carry on with you the sweet memories of your teachers. Never ever forget them and always have a prayerful spirit. God will always bless you on your path. All the best, students, for your bright future and for final examination. Thank you.
Thank you, dear teachers, for sharing your experience with us.